Hello everybody, it's Jeff again from Loba here to talk about our 2K contact recoating system. It's a system that promotes adhesion, so it's meant for factory finished floors, UV cured finishes, site finished floors that perhaps are a challenge like wire brush, hand scraped, floors that you're worried about getting a good inner coat abrasion. It's very easy to use. It's two component, mixed part A and part B. One other floor that you can coat with contact is LVP. I know for the wood floor guys, that's a dirty word, but the fact is there's a lot of LVP floors out there and they do scratch and get damaged. You can use contact on LVP and then coat it with a two-component water-based finish and brighten that floor up. So contact your Loba rep if you're specifically going to use it on LVP. He can give you some ideas how to be successful in doing that. So with contact, remember the 4C system. One is certify. So check the floor out. Make sure there's no cleaning products on there that could hinder adhesion. You may want to do a test in a spot to make sure that the contact system is going to work on that floor. The second C is clean it. So you're going to use our Loba remover, clean the floor with an auto scrubber, a buffer, and a red pad, something to get that floor as clean as possible. We know that that's the most important aspect of a recoat. Then the third C is contact. Do the contact, apply it, let it dry a couple hours, and then the 4C, coat it with a two-component water-based finish from Loba. What do you apply contact with? I recommend working out of a paint tray or a bucket. You don't want to pour contact directly on the floor. You're going to put way too much down. Again, that court does 500 square feet. So use a Loba 60-80 roller. This is my preferred method. Or you can use a trim pad like this and working out of a bucket or a paint tray. Again, applying very thin, consistent coat across the floor. So again, contact is a two-component system, part A and part B. And remember with Loba, we have our codes. So contact is A4, the hardener is B4. So make sure you get those properly mixed. Dump it in there, shake this up, and then it's ready to go right away. Just a word to the wise, if you have any contact left in this container after it's been mixed, leave the lid off because it does start to swell up. And if it's very full, it could make a mess. So just remember part A and part B, mix it together, shake it up real well, and you're ready to go. So we'll demonstrate how to put our contact down. Obviously, this means we're in the third step of that 4C system. We're going to actually put it on LVP here, but we'll pretend it's wood as well. So it's very simple, just like any other Loba product, very simple to use, except you're going to be putting this on very thin rather than very heavy. Just work your way across the floor. Don't overwork the product, and that's it. So that one dunk of the roller did more than enough to coat this 4x8 sheet of flooring. All right, so we're going to let this dry so there's no transfer to your fingers, a couple hours usually. And then again, and no buffing involved. You're just going to take a two-component like Duo or Supra and coat your floor, and you're all done. So again, you're applying this very thin. That quart of contact will do 500 square feet. So we're going to have you retrain you a little bit on contact. Finishes we want heavy, contact we want thin. Let it dry for a couple hours. When you don't get any transfer, you're going to coat it with one of our two-component finishes like Duo or Supra. Let that dry and your floor is good to go. All right, so we're on to step 4 of the 4C system, coating. So on contact, you're going to want to use a two-component finish like Duo or Super AT. I like Super AT because it gives you the closest finish to the factory finished floors, the factory finish that the floor had originally with the ceramic coating. So after that, you just coat as normal with the Loba system. Dip and roll. You will notice that the contact floor is it feels sticky or grabby once it's dried. So I like to just go, one time I like to just wear socks when I'm coating rather than my shoes. So load the roller up. With this system, you're probably going to be closer to that 500 to 600 square foot per dunk coverage rate just because it's not soaking in as much, but just coat as normal. Some things to keep in mind, normal dry times. However, on LVP, like I mentioned before, there are some different characteristics. A little bit longer dry time with the contact, and it lengthens out the cure time of the finish a little bit. But contact your Loba rep if you have any questions. And as always, we're happy to have our stuff at Floor Mechanics, so give them a call.